Okay, we're in downtown Mount Orab, and it's train time. Hasn't been a train here since, well, before the storm anyway. Here, check this out. Here's the crossing. Have a close look at the rail here. A little bit rusty. Okay, so you got the snow completely piled over the track here. Train's gonna be coming from that way. All right, train time in Mount Orab, and we got the caboose and depot right there. Here we go. Wow, that was cool, wasn't it? Up on the hill over here. Got the station right here behind me. Gotta give me a thumbs up for that one. Subscribe if you haven't done so too. That was pretty awesome. That's a nice truck. Cool. Everything looks good in the snow. Ah, but wait, there's more! Of course there always is. We're in Williamsburg, and the train hasn't been through here in a couple days, as you can tell, since it snowed. Here's the crossing. Got the snow piled up over the crossing here, even on the rails. Look at that. Got the big trestle right over there. They'll be coming from that way, just a few minutes. I remember when these two buildings were connected right here, they had a walkway that went across from right there and connected over there. I'm not sure when they took that out. I think in the 80s. These are really cool buildings. Used to have some railroad sidings down here years ago. Okay, train will be here in just a minute. Wow, that was pretty cool. Man, they really blasted through the snow here. Got a little bit on me here even. Let's check this out. Got the snow off the rails here. Look at that. Cut through all that snow. Put a little bit of shine on the rail. Let's have a look. There you go. That was awesome. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that stuff. The hardest part about filming out here is just finding a place to park. You don't want to get stuck and don't want to block the traffic either. I was on a one-lane road there in Macon, and I was going to film the train coming, and hadn't been anything down that road and who knows when. And right when the train was coming, a snowplow truck was coming. So I had to move. So I had to get a different location. That's what happens. Okay, thanks for watching. And it's cold out. There you go, westbound through Macon, Ohio. Pretty awesome. There's Cohen Recycling right there. That's a really good customer. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. Go ahead and watch another video of mine if you got the time. It really helps my channel. And we'll see you later. Jawtooth out.